When control, style, and security matter just as much as performance, this quick-release steering wheel system delivers a solution trusted by enthusiasts worldwide. Designed by NRG Innovations, a brand founded and operated by true car lovers, this system reflects years of hands-on testing, innovation, and commitment to quality within the performance automotive scene. One of the standout advantages of this setup is its patented short hub design. It allows the use of a quick-release mechanism while retaining close to stock dimensions, preserving driving position and comfort. This makes it ideal for daily drivers, track cars, and project builds where interior ergonomics still matter. Unlike bulky alternatives, the compact profile keeps the steering wheel exactly where it should be. NRG also offers the only dual-spring self-indexing quick release currently available. This feature ensures precise alignment every time the wheel is reinstalled, eliminating guesswork and improving driving confidence. The connection feels solid and consistent, providing reassurance whether you are cruising the street or pushing the car harder. Beyond performance, this system adds an extra layer of security. Removing the steering wheel and locking the quick-release cap in place creates an effective theft deterrent, especially valuable for older vehicles that lack modern anti-theft technology. Many owners appreciate the peace of mind that comes from knowing the car is far less likely to be driven away without its steering wheel. Built with quality materials and compact packaging dimensions of 12.9 by 6.4 by 12.8 cm, this quick-release system is easy to integrate into a wide range of builds. It is compatible with NRG's extensive lineup, which includes one of the largest selections of steering wheels available on the market today. If you want a steering solution that combines precise engineering, enhanced security, and enthusiast-proven design, this NRG quick-release system is a smart upgrade. Check the link in the video description to see current pricing and compatibility options, and subscribe to the channel to explore more performance parts and automotive upgrades tested by real car enthusiasts.